Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your bubble machine gun. First, carefully unbox your new bubble blaster and check all its parts. Next, find the battery compartment, often located on the handle. Insert the correct number of AA batteries, usually 4 or 6, ensuring they are oriented correctly. Finally, securely close the battery cover to prepare for bubble fun. Now, let's load the bubble solution. Open the solution reservoir, which might be a small tray or a detachable bottle. Carefully pour your favorite bubble solution into the designated area, making sure not to overfill it past the marked line. This usually takes about 100 milliliters of solution. Securely close the reservoir cap to prevent any leaks during play. To operate your bubble blaster, first, always point it safely away from people's faces and eyes. Press and hold the trigger to start the rapid bubble production. You will see hundreds of bubbles per minute. Gently move the gun around to create a magnificent, wide stream of bubbles. Release the trigger to pause the bubble action whenever you wish. For lasting enjoyment, proper care is essential. After each use, empty any leftover bubble solution from the reservoir to prevent clogging. Gently wipe the exterior of your bubble gun with a slightly damp cloth. If you plan not to use it for more than a few weeks, remove the batteries. Store your bubble machine gun in a dry, cool place, ready for its next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.